Okay, here we are. They've got the slab all set up to pour. As you see, it's post tension. The plastic is the vapor barrier. This right here, it's a footer, and it's 3 foot deep for some reason. I'm sure the engineer designed it that way for the soil, but typically they're only 24 inches. And then if you looked, the concrete over top of these the post tension cables will be 4.5 inches, but then as you can see, these beams are running up and down, and these are 3 foot deep. Give the foundation more support. And there's a bunch of them. And then over here again, another footer which goes all the way around. All right, well, hopefully I can catch them when they're pouring. If not, we'll show you the aftermath. Okay, we're back, and unfortunately we didn't get the concrete pour, but we've got the aftermath, and it looks like a pretty good finish. Got the bolts. You know, it is going to be 4 stories, so the walls will be bolted down all the way around. Not sure what oh, this is going to be the elevator. Yeah. So looks pretty good. Looks like they put some curing compound on. So far, we're quite happy with it.